How to fix cash app won't let me verify my identity. So in this video I will show you how to fix that issue. Just follow simple easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, open the cash app. So unlock your phone and open the cash app, and you should see your balance on the main screen. If you are having trouble verifying your identity, this is where you will need to start. After that, check your internet connection. Now make sure your internet connection is strong. If you are on Wi-Fi, try turning it off and turning it on again. So if you are using the mobile data, make sure that you have a good signal. Now after that, update your app. So next, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone, search for the cash app and check if there is an update. So if there is an update, then update the app and then try verifying your identity again. After that, make sure your information is correct. So when cash app asks for your identity, make sure you enter the correct information. This includes your phone name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number if required, and double check everything is before submitting. Now after that, clear cache for Android users. So if you are using an Android phone, try clearing the cache. Go to your phone settings, then go to apps and app storage or app manager. Find the cache app, then tap on the storage and choose the clear cache. After that, try again. Or you can restart your phone. So if the problem still doesn't go away, try restarting your phone. Hold the power button, then tap on restart. So once your phone is back on, open the cache app again and try verifying your identity. So this is how to fix cash app won't let me verify my identity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.